Happy Friday. Welcome and aloha. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. So we're going to talk about the price action order flow levels for Friday, March 24th, 23. And you can see it's self-explanatory here because big FOMC day here in the middle of the week. Wednesday crashed the party. We had to buy the rumor, sell the news, and we have sold for 3 days straight all the way back to a low. We'll go and put 4 charts up and take a look. Here we are, 24 hours deep in Globex, a couple hours before we open on the RTH, and this is our week. Monday, we hit the low of the year. Here we are Friday. We're going back for a double hit on that low for a double scoop. Equilibrium for the 3 days. FOMC, day after FOMC, and Friday is right here, and that is 1754. Seems like a miles away. We're way down here right now, and as I speak, it's moving around the 1712, 1713 level, bouncing off 1208. We could totally break 1700. That's just below here, and we might explore and see how that works. Other than that, let's go to the 60-minute chart. Okay, more of the same, just the double low, Monday, Friday. So basically all this shows a little bit maybe better as the new week open gap is a ways away, almost 40 handles above where we are right now. So, right here, the S3 level is 1685. So if they do want to really see how far they can go, but I imagine the RTH will want to retrace some of this. So possible retracements currently, we've got the VWAP at 1736.3, and that is anchored at the high, and that comes in right around the lunch hour of Thursday. And so that's when we really started the low. We came back, retraced a chunk of the move to the new week open gap, and then drop down again for a double hit. So let's go next to the 15-minute. 15-minute over here is the Asia Globex. Again, we peak right before on this high on the up thrust, 174750, inside of the new week open gap, this coral colored. And then as soon as Europe goes, we just mudslide it down all the way nonstop to Monday double relative low here. So here we are right here. This is where we sit less than 2 hours before the RTH open, and we've got a pullback trend cell signal on the algorithm, and VWAP for the day is 27.3, and we have a new day open gap for Friday way up here at 41.7, 1741.7. So that wraps it for the basic charts. Let's take a look at the Renko oscillator and where price is relative to Keltner's. The Renko frames it nicely. So here's where Asia opens up. You can see, as usual, we go near the high blue Keltner here. This is the first blue Keltner on the upper standard deviation. Then once we clear that right before we have Europe open, then we really plunge all the way down to the blue Keltner. So one hit, back to the red mid, another hit. So that's 2 hits, back to the red, hits again, and this is a duration where we go for a while on the lower Keltner ride, and then we've been flirting around. And now look at, we've got all these green algos signaling buy. So as I shoot this, we're still inside of an hour and a half before the RTH open, but upper Keltner right here on S1 is 21.22. Take care. Aloha. Have a great weekend. Bye.